Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my virtual class. Here speaker is Mihir Nigar, Assistant Teacher English, Duranpur Koribunasa High School. So, dear students, today I am back with English second paper for class 9-10 and my topics is tag question. Actually, tag question is very important and as well as very easy topics of your grammar, and you all have known that you have to answer 5 tag question consisting of 5 marks. So, in the previous class, we all discussed and learned the most important rules of tag question. What we have learned in the previous class, we will apply the rules of tag question on these examples of tag question. So, dear students, let's start our topics. I have already written almost 13 tag questions in my whiteboard, and I will try my best to analyze the rules applying these examples. Okay, let's start our topics. The first example is that the students read only to pass the exam. According to the rules of tag question, at first we have to identify whether there is any auxiliary verb in the statement. If there is no auxiliary verb in the statement, then there must be main verb. So we have to we have to work. We have to done the example using the main verb. So the students read only to pass the exams. There is no auxiliary verbs in this statement, but there is the main verb, that is read. And the statement is in the present indefinite tense, and the subject is the third person plural number. That's why we will use to. Okay, and the statement is in the affirmative form, so the tag will be negative. Don't, they. They will be used instead of the subject, that means the students. Now come to the second example. Teacher should motivate them to learn the basic things. Here we have identified the auxiliary verb, that is should. So we have to pick the auxiliary verb should. And the statement is in the affirmative form, so we have to make the tag negative. So not will be used here, and they will be used instead of the subject, that means teacher. Teachers means it is the plural, so we will have to the word they. Use the word they. Now come to the third example. They can't help learning grammar. So there is an auxiliary verb and it is can. So we will pick the auxiliary verb can, and the statement is in the negative form, so the tag will be affirmative. So can they. Okay. Now come to the example of 4. Practice is essential to. Here there is auxiliary verb, that is, and the statement is in the affirmative form, that so the tag will be negative and it will be used instead of the subject practice. Now come to number 5. Nobody believes a chief. There is no auxiliary verb in the statement, but there is the main verb, that is believes, and the statement is in the present tense, so that, and the subject is third person plural number, so that's why do will be used here. So and the statement is in the negative form, so the tag will be affirmative. So the answer will be do they. Now come to number 6. Everybody hates him. Everybody hates him. Here the main verb is hates, and the statement is in the present indefinite tense, and the subject is the third person plural number. So we will have to use the word do, and the statement is in the affirmative form, so the tag will be negative, and they will be used instead of the word everybody. Now come to number 7. He has to drag a miserable life. Here auxiliary verb is has, so we will have to pick the auxiliary verb, and the statement is in the affirmative form, that so the tag will be negative, and we will have to use the subject he. He can hardly succeed in life. Here we find the auxiliary verb can, so that's why we will pick the auxiliary verb can, and the statement is in the negative form because hardly is in the negative word, so the tag will be affirmative, so he will be used. Now come to number 9. Let us always speak the truth. It's an imperative sentence because an imperative sentence starts with the word let. So shall we will be used here. Number 10. Everybody loves flower. So there is an auxiliary. There is in the main verb, and that is loves. And the statement is in the present indefinite tense, and subject is the third person plural number. That's why do will be used here. And the statement is in the affirmative form, so the tag will be negative. They. Number 11. Prosperity seldom comes unwanted. Okay. Prosperity seldom comes unwanted. Here there is no auxiliary verb, but there is the main verb, that is comes. Okay. And the statement is in the present indefinite tense. That's why, and the subject is third person singular number. That's why does will be used here. And the seldom, the word seldom is the negative word. That means the statement is in the negative form. That's why the tag will be affirmative. So the answer will be does eat. Now come to number 12. It's an exceptional rule. In the previous class, we hope that nobody will derail from the right path. If we notice the example carefully, we will find that there are two parts of the sentence. That means there are two clauses in the sentence. You have also heard the name of clause. There are two kinds of clause. You know, the first one is main clause, and the second one is subordinate clause. Principal clause and the subordinate clause. We hope that nobody will derail from the right path. We hope this is the subordinate clause, and nobody will derail from the right path. This is the principal clause. So if in the tag question, the two kinds of clause will use in the same statement. In that case, we will pick the verb of the principal clause or main clause. So according to the rule of tag question, we hope this is the subordinate clause, and nobody will derail from the right path. This is the principal clause. So we will pick the verb of principal clause. That is we will pick the verb will. Okay, and this statement is in the negative form, so that the tag will be affirmative. So will they. Now come to number 13. We must remember that the country is above everything. Here we find that there are two parts of the sentence. The first part is we must remember, and the second part is the country is above everything. The first part is in the subordinate clause, and the second part is in the principal clause. So according to the rules of the tag question, we will pick the verb of the principal clause. So we will pick the verb is, and the statement is in the affirmative form, so the tag will be negative, and she will be used the subject, instead of the subject, I mean the country. Okay, so dear students, now I am reading the whole example. The students read only to pass the exam, don't they? Number 2, teachers should motivate them to learn the basic things, shouldn't they? They can't help learning grammar, can they? Practice is essential too, isn't it? Nobody believes a cheat, do they? Everybody hates him, don't they? He has to drag a miserable life, hasn't he? He can succeed in life, can he? Let us always speak the truth, shall we? Everybody loves flower, don't they? Prosperity seldom comes unwanted, does it? Okay, we hope that nobody will derail from the right path, will they? We must remember that the country is above everything, isn't she? So, dear students, these are the all examples of tech question, and I tried my best. To present the tech question in a very easy way, applying the rules of tech by applying the rules of tech question, and I hope that all of you have understand today's my lectures. So thank you very much for connecting with me. Thank you.